Well, today we are here back at Echols Farm in Hiram, and I am here with Joyce. And Joyce, it's so great to be here with you, and it's exciting because you guys have a new model, and I am loving the coastal vibes in this model. So what do you love about this new model?
Well, good to see you again, Greer. We're so glad to have you. I love the Harrison model. It is probably our top favorite model for people. And you just feel the spaciousness of it. You feel the wide hallways when you come in, beautiful covered porches that bring so much light in, and the windows. I think we're known for the beautiful windows and light that we bring in.
Yes, I noticed the moment I walked in, all of the natural light is so beautiful. So it does make me think, though, what happens to the old model? Because that model was beautiful as well.
I'm so glad you asked. The old model is available now. It is beautiful. It has a complete appliance package as well as a finished courtyard. So lots of wonderful features for the person who would like to move in very soon.
Wow, well, I imagine that will not last long because it's a beautiful model home. And, you know, when you have a new model, sometimes that means a new phase. So tell us about this new phase here.
So we are in phase 3 right now with lots of opportunities to build any of our models. In phase 2, we have 3 homes available. We have 2 Savannah plans, and we also have an Emerson. And we can do a very quick close on those and have somebody in within 45 days or so.
And also you were mentioning that there are some pretty incredible incentives right now that home buyers could take advantage of.
Oh, absolutely. On the Homestead series, so that would be the homes in phase 3 that somebody is building from the ground up, we have a $15,000 incentive to be used at our design center.
Well, Joyce, thanks so much for being here with me today. And if you are looking for an active adult community, come and check out Echols Farm by Windsong Properties right here in Hiram.